Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I got my hair cut and dyed because it was low-key looking kind of ratchet. So really happy, love it, super cute, love it when I curl it. I don't know why, I just like my hair at this length. It's like kind of like to here when it's straight. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Anyways, so for today's video I decided to do this really nice rainbow look. It's like rainbow and it has clouds and a heart and it's just so extra and I love it. I decided to do this look because it is June, so it is Pride Month and I am an ally of the LGBTQ+ community. I honestly think that you should be able to love whoever the hell you want. You shouldn't have to hear it from anyone. I think that's ridiculous. Someone is judging you for who you fall in love with. It's not really a choice. That's who you fall in love with. You can't help that. So yeah, but I decided to just do this makeup look because I've always loved rainbows and it's Pride Month and I was like, why the hell not? It's honestly, it just was time, you know? It was just a fun idea. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Okay, if you guys would like to achieve this look or just watch it because it's kind of satisfying to watch makeup tutorials, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm doing is pulling out my Benefit Hoola bronzer. Obviously, I think you guys already know this is like my legit favorite bronzer.
Hey guys, just really quickly wanted to say that for some reason it took off me doing my nose contour. I don't know why, I cannot find that footage though. So yeah, sorry.
Okay, and now I'm pulling out my Morphe James Charles palette. And then first I'm going into the color Flashback just to kind of give it a little bit of a base. Just putting that all over my crease. And now I'm going to go into the color You're Kidding and I'm going to be putting it on my crease, but I'm going to be putting it on the, like a little bit above where my crease is because we're going to be doing kind of like a double cut crease in a way, but it's going to be a rainbow. So we're going to be making a spoon shape and then following the colors down. If you get confused, just watch me do it and then you'll know how to do it because I suck at explaining. I'm so sorry. And you want to make sure you leave room for the next colors. Now I'm going into the color Roasted.
So instead of going into the color Roasted, go into the color that is on the screen. It's called 518. It looks 10 times better because it's actually orange and it's not like a red orange, so it blends better with the makeup look. I didn't do that and it made like a really bad mistake. So yeah, I would do that instead if you're actually doing this makeup look, but if you're just watching, then just, I'm sorry, come get back to the video.
And just putting it underneath the color You're Kidding, doing the exact same thing, making a spoon shape. Someone just texted me. Now I'm going to be going into the color B and doing the same thing I did before. Just keep on making that spoon shape on your eye. Next we are going into the color Daddy and we are going to be putting that underneath the color B. Okay, and next we're going into the color Cola and we're going to be putting that underneath the green color, which I think was called Daddy. Yeah, it was called Daddy. Okay guys, and now we are moving on to under eyes. So now I'm grabbing out my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and this is in the color Cottage Cheese. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what that was not English, whatever that was. Color Cottage Cheese, and I'm putting this on my waterline. And now we are going into the color Single and putting this on our under eyes. And we are going to be bringing it up to the rainbow. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, I low-key love this. And now I'm just going to quickly go into the color Bright Light and put that on my brow bone. So now I'm taking out my NYX Professional's white liquid liner and it's in the color White Blank, or it's in the color white. Yeah, it's in the color white. Never mind, forget I said blank. Anyways, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing an outline of a cloud and we're going to be doing like a cut crease line. So if you're confused again, watch me do it and you'll understand hopefully. I actually did a video where I did like a cow cloud cut crease and we're just doing the same thing as that, but yeah. So this is gonna be so fun. Okay. Like so. and we're just gonna do it halfway. And now I'm just gonna be drawing a heart next to it, obviously, to symbolize love, because we love hearts. So yeah, I'm just gonna do an outline of a heart, and I'm gonna connect it to the cloud. I think that this is adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm really proud of this. Now I am going to do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back to do everything else. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like legit so cool. Yay. Okay guys, I am back. I finished the other eye. I tried my hardest to make them even. I think I did actually pretty good. I don't know, that always bothers me, but yeah. So anyways, I am back and we are gonna move on with everything else. Okay guys, now I'm grabbing out my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in the color Berries and Bubbly. We are not using the cloud paint today. I just feel like the look is already so like crazy that I feel like if we like add cloud paint, it'll be a little bit too much. So I'm kind of going light on the rest of my makeup. Oh my gosh, I just dropped that so bad. Me doing my blush. I haven't done like blush like this in so long because I'm so used to doing glossier cloud paint, so this kind of feels weird. And now I am pulling out my Becca highlighter, and this is in the color Prismatic Amethyst. I love this highlighter. I kind of want to get more highlighters because I have like some, but some of them don't really look as good on my skin tone. I look better with like the like silver, like whitish highlighters because like, you know, my skin is very light, so I can't like really do dark highlighters. They just look really weird on me. So yeah, I might get more highlighters at some point. Not soon because I'm kind of broke at this current moment, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, and now I'm moving on to mascara. Yeah, we're gonna use Lash Lick. I've been using Lash Lick so much, but I just really like it, so yeah. I also haven't worn falsies in so long. This is looking hella cute though. I love the rainbow. Rainbows just make everyone happy. I don't know why. I just like rainbow. I don't know. I just love rainbows. They're just such like a beautiful and positive vibe, if you know what I mean. I don't know. So yeah, and I like the heart because the heart just makes it look really cute. I'm excited, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, and now we are gonna move on to jewels. I'm so excited. Okay, so basically I found these in my closet and it's like a rainbow gems. So I was like, I need to use these for this makeup look, cause duh. I'm gonna take each color and like kind of place it. I probably should have put eyelash glue on them, but it's fine, who cares? They'll stay. Probably not, but we'll see. Extra, extra, read all about it. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I think actually I'm gonna do like, there's like these holographic ones that I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, it looks so extra. I love it. I normally actually don't like extra looks, but this one just, it gets my vibe. It's spreading the love, she's shining, it's great, I'm loving it, really feeling it. Okay, and it's time for lipstick, and I feel like it's just the best to use is the glossier lip gloss in the color, I think this is in the color red, I don't really know, but it doesn't say, maybe I'm just blind. Yeah, it's in the color red. I think that this will just give it like the look a little something, so you don't want to go too crazy. Oh my gosh, guys, I honestly don't have words. I know, it's like a little extra. Okay, like a lot extra. But like, it's cute. I love it. I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. I'm happy now. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I will try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located all at the end card, along with my last video and the subscribe thing. You guys should definitely subscribe to me because I do really cool looks like these that you probably are never gonna do, but they're really satisfying to watch. So yeah, definitely think about subscribing to me. So yeah, I am just going to go off and look at this look in the mirror for like probably an hour, and I'm really happy. So yeah, okay, bye bye, beauty babes, love you.
day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it